How to log in Hotmail accounts on PC. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Without further ado, let's begin. Open your preferred browser, for example Google Chrome. Click search bar, type in hotmail.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll reach on the official interface of Hotmail, where in order to sign in, you simply need to click on the person like icon at top right corner of your screen, or simply here you can see the sign in button. Click that, and then you need to click on sign in button at top right, then you will reach on the sign in page of Outlook. Enter your credential like email, phone, or Skype associated with the account. At bottom you'll find sign in options. Click that, and here you can easily choose other options as well like face, fingerprint, or security key, or you can even sign in with GitHub. So let's enter our credential and click on next button. Now we have successfully entered into the Hotmail account with the login credentials. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.